So I was thinking about certain things that happen in life and in my life. People are aware that there's a TV in your eyes, and people react according to how you behave or the implications of what's going on in your life and in my life. That is in this case, and somebody is going to act a game or behave a certain way around you so that people develop certain feelings about you, or kind of maybe hate you, you know or so that people don't have to really care about you, things like that, and small stuff. And if there's a TV and there's implications for everything that happens in your life, some people are going to try to maybe portray you a certain way or make people want to drag you to insanity, or really modify your behavior, or put in themselves, inhale some type of mind controlling things that when they meet you are going to react to them in a certain way, so that people think that this guy must be, how comes this guy is reacting this way, he must be insane. But you are not insane. This what it actually makes people do is try to drag you to appear insane now, so that people can say, there's no problem with him, he is insane, you don't have to do anything. But the overall thing that dragging you to insanity does is, you are not really insane that you are going to collect papers. You're kind of borderline insane, where there are things that happen that you do that is really an anomaly, that things that don't normal people don't do. You're going to make wrong decisions, how you use your money, things that people see that, this guy is actually insane, and that's not getting people to drag you, and, with the aim of, behaving. But in the end, the overall goal is to get you not to buy a car, to make wrong decisions, to never own a house, or never stay where people cannot access. You can be even dragged in a way that will make you, be so, become, have really high mental acuity that you can hack into a phone. And it doesn't mean that you possess that ability. It's because you've been dragged, to make people feel really bad and want to do something about your life, want to do something to you, it's all trying to accuse you in front of a camera where the whole world can see, to get people to despise you and manipulate you out of your goals. Simply, it's not only to get people to not to care, which is also another goal, to get people not to care how they treat you. It's also to get people want to drag you in a way that, people, so that people who see you can have an explanation of your behavior, so that they can say, he didn't do this because, he wanted to do it. It's because he is insane. No, not because you are insane. They are actually modifying your behavior so that you can behave that way. And to some people, I can come and apply it to your doorstep, so that when you get out there, someone can really give you a hot slap, or hate you. To some people, some people are actually innocent. But so who do we blame in this case? Because now there are chemicals where everyone can manufacture and